Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Jeudi, là c'est un holiday, par travail et Marie dans le travail tout. Mais Marie dans la conduit. La conduit là nous aller dans une base, l'autre base militaire qui est dans ATSUGI. Nous aller zip lining. Mais moi qu'elle a fait la pluie là. So now we encore les rive ATSUGI. J'ai presque 30 minutes de marcher pour m'arriver côté nous voir les zipline là. Beaucoup arrive. Bah là non tête mon. Bah ka marcher encore bouquet. Nous sorti juste en bas là. Nous on a regardé. We made it. Nous réussi arriver. Nous réussi arriver. Nous on rat bras. Nous on tête mon. Pare chérie. Oh my god, belle ou fort bien là.
I see you. That looks easy to me, honey. It looks easy, isn't it? Here you go. Oh, that one looks strange. Good luck. Oh man. You're doing the same thing, honey. Good job, hon. You got this. You moving. Remember, you can always hold on to the other harness, right? You moving. That's pretty challenging. I like that one. There you go, you did it. You sure? Good job, honey. Let's go, hon.
I'm so scared,
You'll be okay, honey.
Hey guys.
Hey, honey. Good?
Yeah.
You made it, honey.
I've never been so scared.
You good kid.
Oh my goodness.
You'll be okay, honey. I'm right here. What are you doing, honey? Keep walking. Keep going. What baby? You gotta hold on to what is in front of you. Paske oh, look at that. What mash you call it, honey? You're scared. Oh my god.
Oh, this one.
This one is easy.
Eh? Should I walk or should I slide?
Just hold it.
Huh?
Just walk. You see? Easy, right?
Ooh. Easy, easy. Yay!
Are you gonna go to the next one?
Yes.
Just be careful.
So, ça c'est Marim, ça c'est une zipline qui est plus longue dans le centre là. Mais Marim n'a juste l'autre bord. Go honey, go honey. Go honey. Woo! Mwen challenge.
You're doing good.
See, just like that's cheating.
You're doing good, honey. Keep going. Mm-hmm. Last one. What? Just take it again. Just take it back. Oh, I thought you had it. Hold up a second, I'm coming to. Are you ready, hon?
I don't think so.
Let's go, honey. Let's go. That one is easy. That's the last one. It's long. It's a lot. Let's go.
Okay, j'hésite pas. Guys, nous fini zipline là. Kepi m'perdi. Mais Marim nan là juste l'autre bon là pour job. Il va aller me chercher kepi là. Ensemble avec yon l'autre monde qui a travaillé là. OK, tout le monde kounya là, nous dans machine là, nous va retourner la caille nous. Nous t'a souhaité que vous te remettez vidéo ça que nous te fait pour. Si tu remets, pas oublier pour ba moi un thumbs up. Et puis quittez un commentaire pour moi en bas vidéo. Now encore dans l'autre vidéo. Say bye, honey.
Hey, bye.